Greetings, this is Blue Storm Wyvern, and I'm storming at you with another review. Today I'm going to be reviewing the third static mini arts figure. It's Meow from Dream Drop Distance. As you can see, it's got the Disney logo and the Dream Drop Distance logo on the bottom. And there he is from the front. Here he is from the side. You got the number 3. There he is inside the box. I'll be taking them out soon. There's all the writing, all the warning labels and whatnot, the scan bars. And there's Charity and Shadow Heartless, which I've already reviewed. And there's the top. As you can see, it says Kingdom Hearts 3D Dream Drop Distance Static Arts Mini. Of course, it's in a pink box. I don't know why they choose to do that, but that's what they did. So let's get this opened and get a closer look at it. And of course, same old insert. Got that pink color. Close that up. Get him out of the insert. Excuse me. And there he is. Of course, it is original blue colors with the yellow spots, and got the dark one on his back, on his tail. Of course, he's got his little horn. He's got the little sparks in his eyes and his tongue hanging out. There's his spirit symbol. That's the spirit. That's the symbol of the spirit Dreameaters that helped Sora and Riku throughout the game. Of course, in the Nightmare version had a little bit more of a jagged look to it. But there he is, in all of his glory. So, and of course, I picked this up at Big Bad Toy Store, like I did with the other two. I got them all 3 at once. So, if you're like I said before, if you're a Kingdom Hearts fan like I am, and you want to start a collection, you'll want to have this and the other 2 with it. So, like always, like, comment, and subscribe. And I will see you next time.